Have you ever wondered why some people's money seems to grow even when they're asleep, while others work 40 hours a week and still stay stuck? Well, welcome to 2026, where the smartest money isn't earned, it's managed. Listen, if you want to build real wealth this year, you don't need 10 jobs. You just need 3 things: a plan, a budget, and a portfolio. See, the stock market in 2026 is doing something interesting. Tech is booming again, AI is becoming normal, dividend stocks are steady, and long-term investors, they're winning quietly. So here's the simple rule. Stop timing the market, start spending less than you earn, invest the extra, and stay consistent. Because at the end of the day, success isn't about choosing the perfect stock. It's about choosing the perfect habit. And if you start that habit today, your future self in 2030 will literally thank you.